The massive doors reveal the largest clear-span building in the world, where these airlifters are built with incredible precision. The 5,000-ton hydraulic press forces the glowing billet through precision dies, creating the complex structural shapes for the C-17 fuselage.
Machining titanium requires extreme precision and control, demanding slower speeds and higher forces to prevent thermal damage and fire risks.
Temperature holding steady at 180. We have 2 minutes until transfer.
Across this 30-foot board, technicians assemble the 40 miles of precision cabling required for a single C-17 aircraft.
Check the serial number against the manifest. It should be G145.
Confirmed. Data logs match the factory records. Seals are intact.
Verify alignment on station 450.
Reading green.
Quality. Proceed with fastening.
Bring it down 50 millimeters.
Clear. Holes are aligning now. Go ahead and clamp.
Ready with the rivet gun. Watch the clearance on that panel. Clear by 2 inch. Bringing it down now.
Torque setting confirmed at 1500.
Roger that. Applying torque now. Value recorded.
Initiating functional check. Extend.
Clearances look nominal on segment 4.
Verify green range on the sensor output.
We are showing a 35-degree angle on the digital gauge.
Begin the hydraulic extension cycle now. Aileron deflection checked at 20 degrees.
Confirmed. Spoilers cycling smooth.
The F-117 engine requires millimeter precision. Once aligned, hydraulic wrenches torque the bolts to over 1,000 foot-pounds.
The C-17's vertical stabilizer stands over 25 feet tall. These highly stressed root fittings transfer.
Hold position. We need final alignment verification on the fittings.
Roger, holding steady. Laser alignment is showing green.
Begin torquing sequence on the main spar bolts. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Slow and steady, bring it down 50 millimeters. All right, easy now, keep it coming down slow.
Clear on the left side.
Torque in the main fitting now, holding steady at 1500.
Bring it down 5 millimeters.
Roger that, descending slowly.
Alignment confirmed on the right side. Hold at current position. We're verifying the alignment now.
Copy that, holding steady.
Lasers are showing green. Prepare for securing.
Precision is paramount. Technicians align the trunnion before the heavy-duty attachment bolts are torqued to extreme specifications.
Okay, beginning the extension cycle now. Jacks are cleared. Confirmed green, system operational. All right, cycling the landing gear now. Monitor the pressure on the green system. Holding steady at 3000, looks good.
Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Flow rate is nominal. We are clear for sign-off.
The environmental control system is crucial, maintaining comfortable cabin conditions even at 45,000 feet.
From the massive 60 kVA generators to the intricate transformer rectifier units, the electrical system distributes.
Ground check, cycling the yoke now.
Roger that. Aileron response confirmed on all channels. Data logged. IRU alignment stable.
Cross-checking GPS accuracy.
Confirmed. All green on mission systems.
Engage the winch system now. Clear the area, watch the tension. Locks engaged on the forward pallet.
Meticulous attention to detail ensures aerodynamic efficiency and weather protection for demanding operations. Following structural mounting, technicians finalize the fuel and hydraulic connections, performing critical safety checks before flight.
Ensure the fuel line is completely secured before we initiate the pressure check.
It's tight. Moving to the electrical connection now.
FMS updated to version 12.2.
Confirming system initialization on MFD3. All green.
Flap cycle initiated. How's the pressure on your end?
Stable pressurization confirmed. Sequence complete. Engine start sequence initiated. Fuel flow, ignition.
Confirmed. Stable idle achieved. Parameters green.
Cockpit to ground, cycling the gear now.
Roger that. Hydraulic pressure holding steady on all 3 systems. Runway 19 right, cleared for high-speed taxi.
Roger, brakes released, advancing throttles.
80 knots, airspeed alive, stable engine parameters.
Total weight reads 280,550 pounds. Center of gravity is precise.
Data verified. Final sign-off complete.
We have confirmation from all teams. All systems are go for the first flight.
Thank you. The aircraft is ready.
Set takeoff power, V1 rotate. Positive rate, gear up, all systems normal. Set takeoff power and release.
Airspeed alive. Rotate. Positive rate.
Liftoff confirmed, historic flight underway.
On behalf of the Boeing Company, we proudly present the C-17 Globemaster III for final acceptance. We accept this aircraft, ready for service.
APU engaged, commencing engine start sequence.
Engine 4 stabilized.
Long Beach Tower, Globemaster 71 Heavy, ready for departure.
Long Beach clearance, Globemaster 401 Heavy, IFR to Charleston.
Globemaster 401 cleared as filed, runway 30, squawk 4521.
Ground clear, see upstate.
This global sensor represents a significant enhancement to our strategic airlift capabilities. Welcome home.
Com systems check, encrypted link active.
Affirmative. Radar warning receiver, green.
Flares, standby mode.
Tactical systems integration looks good from here. Confirmed. Running final diagnostics on the countermeasures now.
Takeoff thrust set. Positive rate, gear up.
Roger that, checking the hydraulics.
50 feet. Spoilers armed.
Winch engage, slow pull on the forward pallet.
Confirmed, steady pull. Aft restraints holding.
Ensure you follow the exact torque sequence in the technical order. Verifying the setting now.
Remember, precision is key for airworthiness.
The route is confirmed at flight level 330. Be advised of potential turbulence crossing the Rockies. Loadmaster, double check that restraint calculation. All right, everyone, synchronize watches.
AC power essential bus checked.
Confirmed. Hydraulic pressure, normal. Gear pins removed.
Roger that. Before start, checklist complete. Alpha 2, you are clear to proceed up the ramp. Watch your left side. Roger that. Guiding it in now. Before taxi, checklist complete.
Confirmed. Ground clear to taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha.
Flaps 20, stabilized. Takeoff power set, released.
Contact established. Fuel flowing at 6,000 pounds per minute.
Roger. Maintaining stabilized position.
Keep the vehicles moving tight. Pallets, push hard on the left. We need this secured now. Stand by for ramp closure.
Cleared for tactical departure, runway dusty.
Roger that. Positive rate, gear up.
The hydraulics on the left main gear showed a slight fluctuating on final.
Yeah, we noted the pressure drop.
All right, we'll run a full diagnostic on it now.
Scheduled phase inspections are performed every 300 to 400 flight hours, ensuring airworthiness through detailed inspection and preventive maintenance. At the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex, the C-17 undergoes program maintenance, a comprehensive.
This comprehensive overhaul ensures these critical components maintain full structural integrity, undergoing rigorous
Pressure readings look good.
We are clear for maximum thrust.
Test sequence initiated on the new flight management system.
All parameters are reading nominal. Interface is responding smoothly.
A systematic approach to corrosion control maintains airframe integrity. Regular inspection and treatment prevent minor.
Ensuring C-17 operational readiness worldwide requires sophisticated logistics.
Get that water pallet secured now! Easy with the stretcher, we're bringing them aboard. Is the secure line established yet?
Yes, sir. We are good to go. The advanced team is waiting.
The C-17 provides the critical link, delivering vital supplies and rotating personnel at the bottom of the world.
Bank angle 30 left. Watch the ridgeline. Roger. Maintaining 400 AGL. Charts confirm waypoint imminent.
The drop zone timing was precise.
Agreed. The coordinated approach worked well.
Starting the maneuver, bank angle 30 degrees.
Roger that. Tracking your profile. Data looks good from here.
Approaching the LZ now. Cabin altitude steady.
Stand by, stand by! Go, go, go!
Vitals remain stable on patient C. Continue current settings. Copy that. We're approaching the descent point. Prep for landing configuration.
Go, go, go! Keep that Humvee moving! All teams, maintain vigilance. We are green to proceed.
Lead aircraft approaching the drop zone. Green light in 10 seconds.
Copy that. Stand by for drop. 5 seconds.
Load secured. Ramp closing.
Copy that. Checklist complete. Ready for departure.
Load secured. Ramp closing.
Copy that. Checklist complete. Ready for departure.
All checks are complete, Colonel. We are proud to present the finalized aircraft. It meets all specifications. We formally accept.
All checks are complete and verified.
The Air Force accept delivery of this C-17. Well done, team.
Precision is everything here. We measure in thousandths of an inch.
Understood. Verifying the fastener sequence now.
Boeing's green manufacturing initiatives minimized environmental impact through extensive recycling and emissions control, proving that
This program demonstrated how aerospace manufacturing supports broad economic prosperity, sustaining thousands of skilled jobs.
The C-17's enduring legacy is defined by its strategic impact, providing sustained airlift capability from combat zones to humanitarian missions.
The current TFR over the Atlantic requires a revised flight path 4604.
Roger that. We'll brief the crew. Weather looks clear for the next 6 hours.
The current TFR over the Atlantic requires a revised flight path 4604.
Roger that. We'll brief the crew. Weather looks clear for the next 6 hours.
Okay, the refueling track is active over the Pacific. Ensure we confirm with the tanker 30 minutes out. Weather outlook for Osan is holding steady. We have an emerging requirement for CENTCOM.
Global 45 is your best option, but they need diplomatic clearance for the stopover.
Taxi, Raju 71, you are cleared through Polish airspace.
Beyond U.S. Air Force operations, Allied nations operate their own C-17 fleets, demonstrating international
The servility features are key for the 2050s.
Agreed. We need advanced propulsion to operate in those contested environments while maintaining the stall capability.
Clear to load the tank.
Go, go, go! Get that aid delivered!
Touchdown, Antarctica. The Globemaster 3, serving since 1995.
We've isolated the fatigue cracks here. The repair procedure calls for a multi-layer doubler and cold expansion of these fastener holes.